looking good in my eyes. Screw that all back out and hold my breath. Wake up one morning and see your face